It's about to go down because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an app using AI for free. And I'm going to show you how this app can potentially pay you forever. Now, a lot of you saw my previous video on how to build an app using AI, but a lot of y'all were in my comments like, but Nikki, this isn't free. So Nikki Connected crew, I heard you. And so did Mocha. And thanks to Mocha sponsoring this video, I'm able to show you all the best features so you can see exactly how to build this app using AI for free. So this means you're going to be able to get started, test your idea, make sure that everything works without putting out money up front. We're going to make this super easy and we're going to do it in minutes. No coding and no confusing tech. Now, Mocha told me that they are fast, that their platform will do everything that I needed to do. So in the name of Mocha, I should be able to sit here and drink my mocha while their AI does most of the work to build my web-based app. You know, I like my apps to be able to make me some money, and I know you do too. So let's see how this works out. But you know what you got to do? Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content, and the way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button and hype this video up so we can get the word out that we are about to have a free option to build an app. Come on, y'all. Let's get into how to build an app using AI for free and do it in minutes. Let's go. Okay, let's build this app, and I'm going to do this for y'all, especially those of you that have always wanted to build your own app, but assume that you need coding skills or thousands of dollars. No, we're going to do this fast and easy, and we're going to get started for free. So let's jump into my computer and let's build my app. So excited. I'm ready to create my web-based app. As you guys saw in my previous video, I created an app where I help people get brand deals. So I'm actually going to see what Mocha does to improve that concept. As you can see, we are inside my Mocha dashboard, and there are a couple different buttons that you can click in order to start creating your app. And it opens up into chatbot, basically. Okay, so if you've used AI before, this might look familiar. So what I'm telling the chat is the app should have a clean, modern, feminine aesthetic with soft luxury vibes using these colors and yada, yada, yada. Okay, you can pause and rewind, whatever you need to do. Okay, if you needed to attach an image, you would be able to do that. Okay, so you would just click this button and you can attach a screenshot of maybe an example. Also, this is Max. This is the most powerful version. You can also use the standard version. You can choose public if you want other people to be able to see what you did, but you know me, I'm a private girl. All right, so we're going to keep everything the same here. Look, look, look. They have all kinds of ideas. It's an e-commerce store, recipe finder. It's all here. Okay, like I said, pause, rewind if you need to see all this. But let's get to my app, okay? Look at this. It's working on it. It's like, Nikki, I'm working on it. On the left-hand side, I can see it thinking. It's working, baby. Don't worry about, oh my gosh, I don't have a long prompt or something really specific. You don't need something specific. It's better to feed Mocha a little bit at a time and then tweak it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This thing really just built this app within 2 minutes. Okay. It's now prompting me, asking me like, what would you like me to build next? And it's giving me some options. I want to start with the build the niche. Oh, I can just click it. I thought I had to highlight and paste it. All right. So now it's going to build the content idea generator. I can just sit back and sip my coffee while it does the work for me. Let's review these changes. Oh, as you can see, there's coding up in here. I don't know anything about coding, so I'm just going to mind my business and I'm going to let it work. Okay, let's test this. Let's test this. Look at that. Lifestyle hooks, morning routine, reset routine, aesthetic living, productive day, self-care Sunday.
Oh my God.
You can't be serious. Content format, educational, behind the scenes, entertaining, storytelling, inspirational, trending, and viral. Well, I want to go viral. Here's the thing. This is what I love about it. If you notice, it's already thought ahead of anything that I would have even ever thought. People can save the ideas. I'm actually going to take Mocha's suggestions and I'm going to improve this even more. I'm literally just sitting back and just doing my thing. Okay.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
You gotta be kidding me. Before I even swallowed my potato chip, it already finished the new updates. I put in that one prompt and now I'm just clicking buttons and it's doing all the work for me. Now I want to be able to make some money off of this app, okay? So I want Mocha to add a feature where people can upgrade from my free version of the app to my Elite Influencer Kit, where they'll be able to access ebooks and email contacts for brands. So I'm doing this prompt here, asking it to upgrade and add that section. And I messed up. I don't know where my mind was. It's the Elite Influencer System. So I just asked it to change the name and to add this as the thumbnail, and in seconds it did that. If you think that's something, you got to check out the Mocha Fetch feature. With Fetch, you can take information from an existing website. So say for example, if you want to upgrade your old website, or if you happen to like the colors of a website, you could tell Mocha to use that as inspiration or add those certain features to this existing app. So let's do that with my Elite Influencer System, because as you can see, the colors are a little different on here. So I actually want to see if this works. I'm going to use this URL and I'm going to ask Mocha, can you fetch the brand colors from my Elite Influencer System? Here is the URL. Ooh, it's looking good. Change the logo. Okay, I want people to have to register and sign in order to use my app. Oh, nice. Okay. Guess what? There is another feature that will make your life so much easier. It is the email feature. And when you go into your email section, you'll be able to see who received your emails, who actually opened them, all that good stuff that will help you be able to tweak your emails in the future. But guess what? This thing can actually automatically send emails. Can you send people a welcome email? So now it's going to send a welcome email to anybody that signs up for my app. Nikki from the future here. I had to jump ahead to show you that this email feature works and how cool it actually is. I simply connected my domain. When I registered for my app as a new user, it sent this welcome email. And as you saw, I just asked Mocha to create a welcome email. I gave it no information and it knew exactly what to send. This thing is no joke. This is already saving me a whole bunch of time, whole bunch of energy and frustration, baby. Okay, so it only took a few minutes and I have a finished app. So let's check out my app and the features, all right? So this is the desktop version of my web-based app. And let's click some buttons and make sure that everything is working good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I love how the colors change once somebody clicks it so they know what they clicked. So I'm going to do storytelling, generate ideas. All right. Loving it. And they can copy or they can save it. Let's not forget, there are some pro tips in here. I'm telling you, I am really, really loving this right here. It is very accurate. Okay, so our app is ready. So let's publish it. It's helping me even share it out so people can use it. Okay, now let's take a look at what the phone version looks like. Okay, so here is my mobile version. And so you can actually see what the mobile version looks like while on desktop. But let's scroll through here. And as you can see, it looks the same. The buttons are clickable. Everything is working good. I want to check on my sliding scale. That's my favorite feature. So yep, now people will be able to know how much money they can make off their content. I'm loving this. I'll link it down below for you guys to check it out if you want to. But I'm telling you right now, Mocha proved its point, baby. But there are a couple other features that you should definitely know about Mocha. Let me just show you this. Say if you need some more ideas outside of the chat section, you can come over here to Spotlight and check out some of the other apps that people have built using Mocha. And that way you can get some ideas, some motivation. I'm loving this. Now you already saw plenty of features, but guess what? There is another feature that is going to be really helpful when you are building an app, and that is the analytics section. You'll be able to see who comes to your app, pages they go to. Okay, so you know which features people are the most interested in, and you can see which browsers they're using, countries, regions, cities. So think about it. If you are going to promote your app, you can target certain countries or certain cities. If these people are specifically loving your app, then yeah, double down on that. All right. So these analytics, I'm telling you, they are gold. So make sure you use them. Now let's talk about what you really care about, how your app can actually make money. One option is a freemium model, which is where users access a free version, but they pay to unlock premium features like my app does. Or you can offer a subscription and you can charge a monthly fee for continued access. Also, there's pay per use, where users pay each time they generate something valuable on your app. Or you can charge a simple one-time lifetime access fee. You got a lot of options here. Okay, you just saw that Mocha helped me build an app in minutes using AI. So I want to help you build your app. And you can get started for free. Use the link down in the description. That's going to take you over to Mocha. Now, I know a lot of you are like, Nikki, does it have this feature? Does it have that feature? You know what you have to do. Click the link, take yourself over to Mocha, and make sure that you check it out yourself. It's free to start, so you have no excuses, all right? And you know, I want to be newsy. Let me know in the comments, what kind of app are you interested in creating? Is this your first time building an app? Have you built an app before? Did you even know that you could build an app so easily? Let's discuss it in the comments. But I want to give a big thank you for Mocha for sponsoring this video. I did not even know that this easy option existed, and now I'm so happy that I have a functioning app that is way better than what I had originally created. So if y'all could do me a favor and thank Mocha with me, the way that we can thank Mocha is by hyping this video, and also hit the thumbs up button, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you are somebody that actually wants to start making money and expand using your business idea, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and